Hello and welcome back to Crafting with Amy. I'm Amy. If you're new here, I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button and notification bell. I am happy to say I finally have a little Dollar Tree haul. As you all have heard in my previous videos, we just don't have much at our Dollar Trees. But here are some of the spring/Easter color what do they call those? You know. And then here is a little sign that I'll be making something with. It's cute like it is, but I have an idea for it. And then here are some, what I'm going to call Easter egg shapes. Just little wooden Easter eggs. And I also have, that I had gotten at Hobby Lobby's back during Christmas, some little Easter egg shapes. And these are the little bitty clothespins. They didn't have any of the larger ones. And some letters. And then some of these styrofoam eggs on the sticks, the larger ones. And then here's some of the smaller ones. And then my these little ribbons. That one says carrots. And the others just have little eggs on them. And then that one's a checkered little ribbon. And then I already had these two. I actually had more. And then these two little signs with the Easter bunny. My mother was out of town yesterday. I'm sick right now, and that's why I'm making this short, because I'm afraid my voice will give out. And she found some of the wire rabbit frames at a Dollar Tree there. So these ribbons I had previously, but I will be uploading a video using these, plus some other items that I have to make a craft, or crafts, this Saturday. Excuse me. If you all will join me then, I'll be using these items, plus some other items that I have, to make some Easter and spring decor. And again, if you're new here, welcome, and please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell, leaving me a comment. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I appreciate your support. And again, please check back Saturday. If you hit that notification bell, you'll be able to see what I make using these different items, plus some more that I have from other places. Thank you, and you all have a good day.